Think of what Taylor's wearing, Libby.
Jumpsuit.
Oh, all we see is a head. Move your head, Teddy. There you go, look at that.
Jumpsuit.
Would you want to wear that? You want to be there?
Yeah.
What would you do if you were there?
I'll just stick my hand out and do my father.
You stick your hand, what?
Out and do.
My son just asked me why Sam Hunt has a
butt string.
coming out of his back
His
pocket.
butt. And it looks really weird.
Saw the preview for Justin Bieber to come out and perform at the Grammys, and we decided we like his new look because if you're going to act like a punk,
Gotta look like a punk. He's mean.
if that dude can't feel his face, is it an excuse for his hair to look like that? Oh, that was not nice. Weekend. I like him. Actually, it looks like he's got one of those Halloween hands on his head. Like
No, to me it looks like a radish.
The Weekend!
To me it looks like a radish and upside down carrot.
Chris Stapleton's up next. I just saw Chris.
Traveler, Chris Stapleton.
My Grammy Kid Squad turned into the Silly Squad, so now they're Bed Squad. Oops, they tried.